Tonight I'm in the county of Gwynedd in northern Wales, just a few miles outside of Carnarvon. A couple of nights ago I did a nighttime video in a haunted cemetery, and I've decided I'm going to do a series of nighttime videos in the run-up to Halloween. Just come here tonight to check out this location. There's an old graveyard here, and there used to be a church here. But as you can see, only the footings of the church remain. Just have a quick look around, then I'll pick a night to come back here to do a nighttime video, and I'll go into show you more detail on that one. I'm seeing this for the first time now, so I'm just going to have a wander around so I know where to go when I come here at night. It does look like it could be an interesting one to do. I am looking for more places, especially in North Wales, so I can make more of these nighttime videos. Doesn't have to be abandoned cemeteries, it could be a haunted house or whatever. So if you know of somewhere suitable, let me know. As it happens, this place is said to be haunted, according to the locals. But I'll elaborate more on that when I'm doing the nighttime video. Have a look at one or two of the gravestones here. Try and pick one that's easy to read. Oh, well, have a look at this one. Mewn ersyrchog cof in sacred memory. Oh, typical, I can't make anything else out. Okay, let's pick another one. Okay, let's try and find the gravestone I can read. No, I'm not going to be able to read that. Date of death 1890. So it does look kind of typical of a Victorian era cemetery, really. They're all quite hard to read. Okay. Wow, that's an unusual name. Joshua Griffiths, dear son of Robert and Elizabeth Griffiths. Died March 1st, 1890 at the age of 16. And there's, I'm not going to be able to translate all of that. Also Ltjones, the one who died July 7th, 1883, also 16 years old. Kind of left it a bit late in the day to come here to have a look. If I'm not careful, I'll be filming the nighttime video tonight. Unusual headstone here. in memory of John Jones. who died November 14th, 1867, at the age of 43. Also, Margaret, his wife, and she died September 4th, 1876, at the age of 30. I've seen one or two interesting graves here. I won't show you those today, I'll keep those for the nighttime video, I think. Mary Jones died January 11th, 1860, at the age of 49. Also Henry, her son, who died March 1861. He was only, I think that's 18, I'm not certain. Could actually be 10. I've mentioned it before, but I'll mention it again. I'm having a big push on TikTok at the moment, trying to get my following up there. I'm up to 16,000 as I speak. So if you like my videos here, please, if you are on TikTok, please follow me there as well. And if you give the videos a like, and especially if you repost them, that's a big help to get them out to a wider audience. You can see here where the entrance of the church used to be. Okay, I've had a good scout. I think at night it is going to be suitably scary. So I am probably going to do a video here. I don't know if it's going to be the next video I do. So I've got a couple of locations in mind for doing these nighttime videos. But we'll see. Well, there must have been another door here then. Okay, I think we'll call it quits there. We'll see you soon from here, hopefully.
Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world, what's in a life you never could afford. Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.